HTML formatting. Formatting elements were designed to display special type of text. The HTML element defines bold text without any extra importance. The HTML strong element defines the text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. The HTML element defines a part of text in an alternative voice or mood, displayed in italic. It indicates a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship, name, etc. The HTML element defines the emphasized text and displayed in italic. A screen reader will pronounce the word in with an emphasis using verbal trace. The HTML small element defines smaller text. The HTML mark element defines the text that should be marked or highlighted. The HTML del element defines the text that has been deleted from a document. Browser will usually strike a line through deleted text. The HTML ins element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browser will usually underline inserted text. The HTML sub element defines the subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. The HTML SUP element defines a superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. HTML formatting elements: B for bold text, strong for important text, I for italic text, EM for emphasized text, mark for marked text, small for smaller text, del for deleted text, ins for inserted text, sub for subscript, sup for superscript text. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.